Do you need ripe bananas for a recipe, but you only have green bananas like this one? Well, I've got 2 ways you can ripen those bananas really quickly. First way is take a brown paper bag and pop the banana in it, seal it as best you can, and leave that for 24 to 48 hours, and you will see a marked difference in how brown your banana is and how ripe it is at the end of that. This is a handy one for ripening any fruit at home. If you just pop it in the brown paper bag with the banana, and it'll ripen much quicker than on its own. Method 2, if you're not so prepared and you want to bake something now and it needs ripe bananas or overripe bananas, well, this one's for you. So you need a baking tray like this one, or any oven-proof container with a lip around the edge of it, because they can get quite gooey and sometimes leak out. Pop that in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you can do this for anywhere from 10 minutes, and you'll see after 10 minutes they are quite black and soft to touch, a little bit still firm. When I open it up, you can see that it is a lot softer than the firm bananas. So that would do for some recipes that just need regularly ripe bananas. However, if you want it even softer, even gooier for like those overripe banana recipes, then I would recommend having it in the oven for up to 30 to 40 minutes at that temperature. And you'll see here they come out really squidgy and gooey. They are very, very dark brown or black, and that is just perfect. Really, really ripe and sweet now. Perfect for sweetening any recipes with no added sugar, no refined sugar needed. Let me know if you've tried this hack. If you find this helpful, please give the video a like. It really helps out the channel. If you're looking for great recipes to use this with, just check out the banana recipes playlist on my channel. Subscribe if you love delicious recipes and random baking hacks that I think of along the way, like this one. See you in the next video.